Hello everyone! Whatever your day begins with, this video promises to provide you with a memorable experience, beginning with a performance highlighting the tortoise pattern used by a male victorious rifle bird to attract a female. We're very familiar with matches that use modern weapons, but not everyone can use their feet as a weapon like this. The appearance of this fish with a human-like face has made us doubt the beauty of the mermaid. Nature is a mysterious box, which is further proven when you see the katydid lichen Markia hystrix, whose special camouflage abilities a preference for eating grass and seemingly lives in the forest canopy. Sometimes, teammates don't understand each other when working in groups. This gorilla's underwater ballet performance showed that an artist doesn't need a grand stage to shine. No need to hire a good trainer. This pig absolutely takes first place with his running skills. Instead of waiting for help when in danger, this frilled lizard decided to be strong by running to safety while spreading the frill and opening its mouth to hiss. We're afraid of big things, which is why this bear's friend request wasn't accepted. It seems his life motto's, "Why be normal when you can be special?" A shocking fact is that starfish can participate in running races thanks to their hundreds of legs. If you want to have a girlfriend for Christmas, you have to actively flirt like this long-tail mannequin. God is kind enough to give this pseudo-Sarastes Eurarachnoids from Western Iran all their intelligence when all they do is sit still and wag their spider-like tails to attract birds to eat. We just discovered that food has the power to wake up a ballet dancer in these bears. Opossum joeys reach adulthood when they leave their mother's pouch at 2 months old and remain friends with their mother's back until they're 4 months old. The angled sunbeam caterpillar will respond quickly to light touch. It emits a repellent. Baby elephants don't learn to control their trunks until they're about a year old. Lonely hearts hurt a little more today when watching a hot romance drama like this. The animal skateboard competition may have found a winner. Without prior notice, these kangaroo warriors were able to completely captivate the viewer with these professional moves. If you're curious about the standard of handsomeness, take a look at this horse. Don't work hard, work smart. That's what this teacher dog teaches us today. Perhaps the duck's head would feel extremely lucky to have a soft bed to lie on at any time. This angle perfectly captures the overwhelming scene when the sheep gather, and this is also why the power of solidarity is so great. For celebrity today's, the Galapagos iguana, which lives only in the Galapagos Islands, is the only lizard to live in the sea and dive as deep as 98 feet. You'll be amazed at the diversity of animals when you meet an ocean snail. Heteropods that have no shell use their legs like a speculum and have a long mouth. It's hard to believe that this is a way to lay eggs, and it is true that God's creation for nature is endless. Don't be surprised if you see them again today at the dentist's office. Without spending any money, Orthodomus Sotorius could own a home by sewing large leaves together with spider silk and real yarn. The more mysterious it is, the less it appears. Must be referring to big fin squid because of their unusualness, and roughly a dozen sightings have been confirmed. This is the maturing process of a butterfly, and it is true that beauty takes time to manifest. This snake can set a new record in IQ, thanks to its 2 brains. The doctor's job would be a lot easier if every child was as obedient as this hippo. Since food can't be moved, don't be surprised if a guest comes to your house just for this purpose. A dog's defined as the only person who's the authority to interfere in your relationship with your husband. Contact this cockroach if you want to hire the fish as your taxi. Do you feel this video gives you a great experience? Hopefully, this last moment will make you hide your food more carefully. And thanks for watching until the end of the video. Have a good day!